Unsightly stains on the glass, metal, and stone elements of multi-story commercial buildings are often caused by flush mount designs, where window glass and metal frames are aligned with architectural stone. Inadequate protection of precast surfaces and substandard sealants can lead to mineral erosion from stone surfaces, staining window glass and metal frames. As the inferior stone sealers break down, they can also leach oils onto the glass, compounding the staining issue. Moreover, water penetration into stone surfaces triggers mold and algae growth, causing discoloration. It also corrodes internal steel components and can freeze and expand, creating cracks that further compromise structural integrity. To address these problems, Presto introduces Leach Stop, our innovative mineral leaching mitigation treatment designed for architectural precast, GFRC, concrete, and other various stone surfaces. It penetrates substrates, bonding with silica to seal fissures, providing lasting defense against oil, water, and stains, while allowing moisture vapor transmission. Leach Stop's unique formulation creates a powerful water-repellent layer, reducing water penetration and retention, and preventing biological growth, which can lead to staining on architectural stone surfaces. It is especially beneficial for structures with flush-mounted glass, due to its ability to minimize mineral erosion of precast stone surfaces. Witness the difference with our live demonstration comparing precast samples, one treated with Leach Stop, the other untreated. Water on the Leach Stop treated side repels water instantly, causing it to bead off the surface. Leach Stop is the industry benchmark for combating mineral leaching on architectural stone surfaces and is backed by Presto's 10-year warranty. Proven in numerous high-profile commercial projects nationwide, Leach Stop's surface protection outperforms traditional sealers, including silane and siloxane, that quickly degrade under UV exposure. With high-performance silicone polymers, Leach Stop maintains its protective properties for over a decade. Application is straightforward. Use a low-pressure sprayer, roller, brush, sponge, or lambswool applicator. Never dilute, and apply one good coat that soaks the surface. Let the surface dry and avoid contact with water for at least 24 to 72 hours after application. For detailed information on Leach Stop, refer to our product data and SDS sheets, or contact Presto Restoration Products for expert advice. Choose Leach Stop for your building facade restoration needs.